Greetings and welcome to the Lilly Lectures. I am your guide, William Lilly, and today we are going to focus on the condition of individuals who are absent or traveling. Now let us embark on this astrological journey step by step. Sometimes there are situations where several individuals are traveling together in a group, whether it is abroad or any far distant place, and the querent wants to receive news about each of them. In such cases, the following steps should be taken. First, ask the querent to list down the names of all the individuals in the order they want to inquire about. Then, focus on the moon and observe her applications, particularly to which planets she applies. Each planet she applies to will signify the state and condition of the corresponding person as listed. Pay attention to the condition of the planet involved, its placement, dignity, and aspects from other planets. Also, note the planet it last separated from and the planet it next applies to. Based on these factors, judge the state, condition, health, and welfare of the first person inquired about. Once the analysis for the first person is completed, move on to the second application of the moon and note whether it is favorable or unfavorable and to which planet it applies. The second person in the list will be influenced in their affairs according to the well-being or challenges indicated by the planet involved. Repeat this process for the remaining individuals, always considering retrogrades, directions, and combustions of the planets. If there are more than 7 people inquired about, go through the cycle again in the same order. It's been a pleasure sharing information from my book, Christian Astrology, with you today. If you have questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future Lilly Lectures, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Until our next celestial rendezvous, I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.